So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a 2D bar chart to a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, go to the top right here and press on chart. Now a 2D bar chart that you're looking for is actually this chart right here. So right below this option, it's right here. But if you're not really too sure which chart is what, you just sort of know what the name is, for example, you can press on whatever chart that you're looking for. I'll just press on the chart, the correct one. And to verify, press on the chart, go to the bottom right here to where it says chart type. In this case, I have 2D bar chart selected, but you can go ahead and select whatever chart you're looking for. So if you want an area chart and you want to change this to a bar chart, it works the exact same way. So very straightforward, very simple. That is how to add a 2D bar chart to a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.